Hey guys, this week, in honor of the 34th anniversary of the classic 1987 TMNT, I have a Leonardo versus Rocksteady 2-pack I'm gonna open up. And then after I ordered it, I realized I already have this Rocksteady, and he's the same. I always thought this guy was 8 inches because the package is so big, but now that I have two, I'm more happy to customize this one that I'm going to open up. That goes back to his home. I also have Raph and Bebop from this line. But now let's get into it. Let's open it up. The artwork is cool, but it's the basic Playmates design that they do with all of them. It's even the same on the other ones that I got 5 years ago that are the same. Here we go. We got these cool faces. Alright. Try to pop them out. It's important to have the right scissors. These are not the right scissors. Scissors on the floor. These might be better. Oh, it's in there so tight. This is not cool. And I can't go get other scissors because I'm connected to the microphone, to the camera, and the cord is not that long. I can't really move from this spot. Bigger scissors. This is embarrassing. I got one. Yay. Got two. This is not cool. I was so excited. I had to wait. I got them yesterday. I had to wait till today to open them up. And now I'm gonna waste all the battery on the camera before I even get them out of the package. Playmates, come on. Now I'm getting angry. You won't like me when I'm angry. But that reminds me, this week's video was supposed to be a Marvel version of Donatello, and I was been working on it, but it took me a while to get the colors right, and it still needs touch-ups, and then it's 3 days worth of editing. So I had these guys come. This type of video, if I can open the package, only takes like 2 days to make, or maybe 3, so I can get it out in time. And also, it was just the 34th anniversary of the original Ninja Turtles cartoon, so I thought it would be fitting to open some toys from that cartoon. And I don't want to damage the figure, even though I'm probably gonna customize him. I don't really like the way his belt is, but I especially don't like the way that these guys are twist tied in. It's already vacuum formed. You don't need this much. And they're zip tied, so you can't even just untwist them. And they're so tight. Almost. Oh, yes. Yay! Finally got one. Yeah, I don't really like this belt strap. You go there for now. I have some other Leonardos. 2003, and this is the reissue remake of the original 87 one. Original toy. This one looks more like the cartoon of the 87, but they came out with these like 5 years ago, and they re-released it in the 2-packs, and there's 2 other 2-packs. But just from how hard it is to open them, I would not buy those other ones. And I haven't even tried to play with them. I haven't heard good things about these particular turtles, but I wanted to see for myself, and eventually I might be able to if I can get this guy open. It's gonna be a weird video. Don't let anyone ever tell you that YouTube is an easy job. Fuck. Yes. Come on. Almost there. Thanks for sticking with me if you are still here. And actually it's New Year's Day when this is going out, so thanks if you are just joining for the first time, or if you've been with me. It's been just over a year since I've been doing this. Almost at 500 subscribers. This is my full-time job, but, well, I haven't made any money yet. Alright. That was an ordeal. Okay, Rocksteady. He looks awesome. I'm really happy and impressed with how he looks. His face is gnarly. Get some black wash in him. I'll dirty him up and all the details will pop out even more. But he looks dope. Yeah. When I heard things, I heard that like these guys were not that great, but they really went all out to try and get as much articulation as possible. Still think this belt is ugly. I'm gonna have to find a way to replace that and still keep the articulation, but you don't really need this articulation here. It doesn't really achieve much. The way he was packaged, it's really hard to figure out how his arm is supposed to go. He just looks like he's gonna dance like this. Hi, camera. Oh, the thumb even moves? That's cool. And he's pretty back heavy, so he's got to kind of lean forward to stand up, but the swords don't have much weight. His shell is pretty heavy. It's pretty cool. Looks good. I think I can make him look better. That'll be a future video. I was really tempted to get Rat King and Baxter Stockman, no, Rat King and Vern from the NECA line, but they were $30 more, and I would have only been able to do one video because the NECA are so good I wouldn't want to or need to customize. Leo, yeah, he's kind of tough to pose, but with a little work I think you can get him better and maybe take some pictures to show at the end of this. So it's him and a couple other Leos. That's a newer Leo. Well, not new, like the 2012 series. His shell opens. The original toy Leo remake in the 2003. But yeah, I'm really impressed with Rocksteady. Leo, he's cool, but not as cool as Rocksteady. Yeah, if you have sharper scissors, the packaging might not be so bad. Like small, pointy, sharp scissors, I would recommend. Other than that, Rocksteady, I think, is super awesome. Leo, he's cool. And it could be a little better. Some of the articulation is not necessary and just makes him look kind of awkward. But I'm sure if I play with him a little more, he'll get worked in and be dope. That's not his sword. But if you like these types of videos, I don't want to say anything about that. What do I say now? Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, always keep your head up. Peace.